this is Liliana here. I got a couple asking for the people to show how I make the flower in the stuffer machine. I have a Keepsake stuffer, mini one. So I do have one for the stuffed balloon, one for the flowers, and also I can inflate the balloon if I need. So if you see it this way, this is for stuffed balloon, and the other way is like over here. We have a hole. We just make this, put this upside down. Each stuffer machine has this tube, so you have to find out like this. Yeah, this way. Just let me see. Or yeah, I was right. This way. Look, this one is fit, but this one is going really easy. This is wrong. For sure is this way, because in this case the tube it's last. See? So what I'm gonna do, and I'm taking the flower water. I just want to secure a cap. And I'm gonna take one more one. It's easy, but you need more practice. Then I put flower in, and I put flower over here. So I'm taking this tube, maybe remove the sleeve, and I'm gonna take this tube up, 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 up. This is enough. I have a really beautiful brush balloon. I just nicely put over here, and now I inflate. So what I'm gonna do now, I just take in tube down, and here I have the water thing. Just put a little bit more, hold here and do. Beautiful and easy. Over here, see the nice balloon like last this one, but I will secure for sure with the Q260Q. And just nicely now I cut the other piece, and it rolls like this. Here we can decorate, just in case. This is going to be my holder for now. And I'm taking nice and white. Actually it will be sleeve with the white thing. I can take nice flower, just attach over here, and we do have nice pink flower with the beautiful new brush balloon and a nice holder. Thank you for watching.